itself is a challenge, but trade secret will be one more challenge because there is no any statutory provision. So contract law you are using it, and by that will be of a great help. International, there is a guidelines that you should give the protection for IP, and obviously trade secret is one of the IP. So TRIPS and Paris Convention, so we have to, considering Indian jurisdiction, we have to give protection to the trade secret as per the TRIPS guidelines. And yes, our contract act is taking care about that particular thing. Now just check the different types of infringements, or that how exactly the IP disputes, that trade related disputes will arise. So there are some infringement will happen. So we will see the different types. Some misappropriation may happen. Breach of confidentiality may happen. Theft by employees, very common because there are many cases that employee have carried the information. Cyber attacks are there. Reverse engineering, yeah, means that is one challenge. But yes, IP is taking care of reverse engineering. Trade secret also, you can say. There are chances that reverse engineering, because of that your trade secret may not be a trade secret. Then the industrial espionage is another one challenge. Accidental disclosure is another one, that sometimes this may happen, that accidental disclosure may be there, and third party misuse will be there. So